the annual Woodward Dream Cruise, Dodge is hosting a multi-day event called Speed Week, where the performance-oriented brand is making some big news. Now, we're at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan right now, where the 2023 Dodge Hornet was just revealed. When it goes on sale before the year is over, this thing should be the most powerful and quickest compact SUV available for less than $30,000. The 2023 Dodge Hornet should bring some buzz to the compact crossover segment with its clean looks and more than a passing resemblance to the discontinued Dart small sedan. Several models will be offered, including the Hornet RT, which is a plug-in hybrid, the first electrified performance vehicle Dodge has ever offered. This vehicle should be the most potent in its segment, with 285 plus horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque, and more than 30 miles of all-electric range, thanks to a 15.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. A tiny 1.3-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission powers the front wheels, while a 90-kilowatt electric motor drives the rears, and that's about 121 horsepower. For even sharper dynamics, RT models offer a sport mode plus 3 greener settings. There's electric, e-save, and of course, hybrid. Now, there's one feature I can't wait to try. It's called Power Shot, which at the push of a button, it gives you up to 25 additional horsepower for up to 15 seconds, and that's enough to reduce the vehicle's 0 to 60 time by 1 full second, dropping it to just 6.1. The RT model comes standard with 18-inch graphite gray wheels. You also get Dodge-branded Brembo front calipers, dual exhaust outlets, and steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. If you don't want a plug-in, you can always opt for the Hornet GT, the non-hybrid base model. It should start at less than 30 grand and deliver segment-leading performance thanks to its 2-liter turbocharged Hurricane 4 engine that delivers 265 plus horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Both Hornet models feature standard all-wheel drive, though a range of big car amenities are available too. Advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and much more. Inside, the cabin is well built and stylish with a driver-focused dashboard and a roomy back seat. I mean, I fit back there with no trouble. Like other Stellantis products, an Android-based Uconnect 5 infotainment system with a 10.3-inch screen is standard in the Hornet. Now, this multimedia array includes a bunch of helpful amenities like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa integration, and special EV pages for the RT model. And based on past experience, this should be a pretty good setup. If you've been stung by Dodge's new Hornet, the order books should be open right now. The GT version is expected to start arriving at dealerships in December, though the RT plug-in hybrid variant won't arrive until the spring of 2023. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the EV Pulse YouTube channel because we're going to have a lot more news coming out of Dodge Speed Week in the next day or so, and it's going to be some huge news that you are not going to want to miss, so hit that subscribe button.